In the grand tapestry of life, few threads are as interwoven with our own as those of the apes. These remarkable creatures, our closest living relatives, hold a mirror to our evolutionary past, reflecting a shared journey of intelligence, adaptation, and survival. Their story is not just about them, it is fundamentally about us. Our tale begins some 25 million years ago in the dense forests of Africa. From a common ancestor, the hominoids, two distinct lineages diverged. One would eventually lead to us, Homo sapiens. The other branched out, giving rise to the incredible diversity of apes we see today. This family is broadly split into two groups: the great apes and the lesser apes. The lesser apes, like the gibbons and siamangs of Southeast Asia, are masters of the canopy. With their exceptionally long arms, they perform breathtaking acrobatics, swinging through the trees in a form of locomotion called brachiation. They are the quintessential arboreal specialists, living their lives almost entirely among the leaves and branches. In contrast, the great apes, gorillas, orangutans, chimpanzees, and bonobos are generally larger and more robust. While orangutans remain dedicated tree dwellers, gorillas have adapted to a life on the ground. Chimpanzees and bonobos comfortably navigate both worlds, spending time in the trees and foraging on the forest floor. This transition from an arboreal to a more terrestrial lifestyle was a pivotal moment in primate evolution, a step that our own ancestors also took millions of years ago. What truly sets apes apart is their profound intelligence. For decades, scientists have been captivated by their complex cognitive abilities. We've witnessed chimpanzees fashioning tools from twigs to fish for termites, and orangutans using leaves as makeshift gloves to handle spiky fruit. This isn't just mimicry, it's problem-solving, innovation, and cultural transmission where skills are passed down through generations. Their communication is equally sophisticated. Beyond a rich vocabulary of calls and gestures, some apes, like Koko the gorilla and Konzi the bonobo, have learned to communicate with humans using sign language and symbolic keyboards. They demonstrate an ability to understand abstract concepts, express emotions, and form deep social bonds, challenging our very definition of what it means to think and feel. By studying these behaviors, their tool use, social structures, and problem-solving skills, we gain invaluable insights into the potential abilities of our own early ancestors. The cognitive toolkit of a modern chimpanzee may be the closest living analog we have to the minds that existed on the plains of Africa millions of years ago, before the dawn of humanity. They are a living window into our own evolutionary heritage. Yet, the future of these incredible beings hangs in the balance. Deforestation, poaching, and disease are pushing many ape populations to the brink of extinction. As their habitats shrink, so does our opportunity to learn from them. The loss of any ape species is not just a biological tragedy, it is the closing of a precious chapter in the story of life, a chapter that tells us so much about where we came from. Protecting them is not just an act of conservation, it is an act of preserving our own history and the intricate web of life that connects us all. The fate of the apes is a reflection of our own choices, and their future, in many ways, will define ours.